At Carrier Inter-America, we care about making things easier and more effective for our customers. Based on this commitment, we are pleased to introduce our new online tool to process co-op requests. In this video, we are going to show you how to use it. Start by going to the dealer online page. Log in with your username and password. Once inside, select the option Co-op Request. On the Co-op Requests page, you will find a menu on the left with the option Create New Co-op Request. Select this option to begin the application process. Include the required information, such as your company name and claim period. Please consider, this information is essential to successfully complete the process. This system allows you to add as many marketing expenses entries as needed to complete your request. Remember that the value of the expense must be entered in your local currency. Once all marketing expenses have been added, you need to select your local currency from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Estimate Your Claim in Dollars green button to convert to American dollars. This tool will automatically calculate the corresponding exchange rate for your currency based on the date of the invoice provided. It is important to understand that in order to process your co-op, we need supporting documents that confirms the veracity of the activities. Without these elements, we will not be able to process your request. Please check the box for I understand and accept, and click on the Save and Continue button. Your case is now in draft status and will not be submitted until you enter all the supporting documents for each of the activities claimed. We need an invoice with the claimed amount and a visual evidence of the activity. You can also add a note with clarifications you want our administrators to consider. Once you finish uploading the supporting documents, you can send your request by clicking on the Send Co-op Request button. You will receive an email notification informing you that your co-op request was sent. At this time, your request is in Submitted status. Another benefit of this system is that you can check the status of your co-op request at any time by clicking on the menu option Co-op Requests. In here, you can see the stage of your request. You will receive an email from our system administrators if any questions arise or we need additional information from you. When your co-op is approved, you will receive a notification via email, and your co-op status will change to Processed for Payment. Once a credit note is issued, you will be able to see a copy by going into your Co-op Requests page. This will effectively finish the process, and the claim will be closed.